Today I am going to tell you how to cut flowers. For this, first of all, you need any sheet in square shape. Then you have to make a spiral on it like this. Equal gap should be there, and then you have to stop here. Now we have to cut it. You have to start from here. Now from this side, how you will cut, you have to make it like this, and then you will take scissor and cut it from here. Now this is the ready material. Now we have to fold it from here. Like this you have to fold till the end. You have to fold it like this. Now in the end, what you have to do, you have to put here some Fevicol like this, and then fold it like this and press it like this. Slowly you have to open it. Now your rose is ready. Now I am telling you another one rose. Again you have to do the same thing. You have to take one square, then again make a spiral like this in equal gap. Stop now. Now you have to cut it. See, already cut it. Now we have to make here half circles like this. We have to cut from here till the end. We have to cut it slowly with neatness. You have to cut it. If you are not able to cut this one flower, you can make the first one. Now stop. Now again we have to do the same method. We have to fold it from here, roll it till the end. You have to roll it. Now again you have to put some Fevicol here, spread it properly and put it here, and slowly you have to open it. Now press it for 5 minutes. Now I am telling you how to cut leaves. Take some green paper and you have to draw here one leaf like this. Okay, I am taking double paper. You have to take double paper so that we can get two leaves, equal leaves, two leaves. Now this is the front side and this is the back, so you have to hold like this. Okay, front should be your side and you have to cut it like this. Then turn it and cut it like this. Now second types of leaf, how you will make, you have to take one strip of green color, you have to fold it like this, and now you will draw it. How you will draw? like this. Now this is your drawing. Now you have to cut it like this. Hold it tightly. Now it's done. Now see, you have two leaves. Now you have to keep it like this, and you have to put your flower like this. Now this is ready. Thank you.